Okay. Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the properties of diazonic chloride salt. Actually, different types of properties. First property is Sandmeier's reaction. Second one Gutterman reaction. Third one action of water. Fourth one potassium iodide Ka. Fifth one reaction chloroboric acid. And sixth one hypophosphorus acid H3PO2 plus water. And seventh one sodium nitrite plus cuprous oxide Cu2. So these properties are completed in previous class. And next property, very important property. So actual heading properties of benzene diazonic chloride salt. Benzene diazonium chloride salt. Benzene diazonium chloride salt. Actual heading properties of benzene diazonium chloride salt. So first property is Sandmeyer reaction, Gutterman reaction, action of potassium iodide, action of water, and fifth one chloroboric acid, sixth one sodium nitrate and cuprous oxide, seventh one hypophosphorus acid plus water. So these properties are completed in previous class. And last and final property, the eighth property, coupling reactions. Coupling reactions, very important reactions, and previous IP question also, coupling reactions. Okay. So coupling reactions. First one, very simple. For example, benzene diazonium chloride salt. So generally benzene diazonium chloride salt formula C6H5, okay, C6H5, N2 plus Cl minus. So this is benzene diazonium chloride salt. So heading properties of benzene diazonium chloride salt, that is coupling reactions. First of all, benzene diazonium chloride salt, okay. And benzene diazonium chloride salt react with phenol formula C6H5OH. Phenol formula C6H5OH, and every carbon has a one hydrogen atom. So very simple, removal of one hydrogen and one chlorine atom. Removal of one hydrogen and one chlorine atom. So removal of HCl. Remaining answer C6H5, okay. C6H5, right. Next N2, that means N double bond N, okay, N2. Next second mole benzene ring, right. Second mole benzene ring, C6H5, and para position OH. And byproduct is para position OH, same benzene ring C6H5, okay, N2, N double bond N, and next second mole cyclic ring, right, C6H5, and para position OH group. And byproduct is very simple, hydrochloric acid formula HCl. And compound name is very simple, argo, meta, para hydroxy, N2, that means azo. Next benzene, para hydroxy azobenzene. Compound name is para hydroxy azobenzene, and this is orange color dye. So this is orange color dye, okay. So first of all, benzene diazonium chloride salt formula C6H5, N2 plus Cl minus, phenol formula C6H5OH. Very simple, 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is HCl, and remaining answer C6H5, okay, N2, C6H5, N2, into C6H5OH. Argo, meta, para hydroxy azobenzene, and this is orange color dye. And next same benzene diazonium chloride salt formula C6H5, okay, N2 plus Cl minus, benzene diazonium chloride salt plus aniline or amino benzene formula C6H5 C6H5NH2, C6H5NH2, and compound name is aniline or aminobenzene, aniline or aminobenzene. Very simple answer. Same, every carbon has a one hydrogen atom. Okay, so removal of one hydrogen and removal of one chlorine atom. One chlorine atom, so removal of HCl, removal of HCl. Okay, and remaining answer C6H5N2, C6H5NH2. Okay, C6H5, right? N2, that means N double bond N. Next second mole aromatic ring, benzene ring. Next NH2, NH2, and byproduct is same, hydrochloric acid, hydrochloric acid. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine. Okay, hydrochloric acid, right? And compound name is ortho, meta, para. So compound name is para amino azobenzene, para amino azobenzene. And this is yellow color dye. This is yellow color dye. First one is orange color and second one yellow color. So these two are coupling reactions. Very important reaction. Previous IP question also. So first of all, benzene diazono chloride salt formula C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus plus phenol formula C6H5OH. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is HCl. Remaining answer C6H5 N2 C6H5OH. Compound name is para hydroxy azobenzene and orange color dye. And next one, same benzene diazono chloride salt react with aniline. Aniline formula C6H5NH2 or aminobenzene. Aminobenzene, very simple. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is HCl. Remaining answer C6H5N2 C6H5NH2 NH2. So compound name is para amino azobenzene. Para amino azobenzene, and this is yellow color dye. Yellow color dye. So this is benzene diazonium chloride salt. So completed. So diazonium salts completed. Okay. First of all, preparation methods of diazonium salt. Only one method, that is diazonization. And properties of diazonium salt: Sandmeyer reaction, Betterman reaction, action of potassium iodide, action of water, action of fluoroboric acid HBF4, sodium nitrate by cuprous oxide, and next one H3PO2 plus water, and last one coupling reactions. That means diazonium chloride salt react with phenol, that is para hydroxy azobenzene or orange color dye. Same diazonium chloride salt react with aniline, para amino azobenzene, that is yellow color dye. Yellow color dye. So this is diazonium salts. Diazonium salts. And last and final topic, very simple topic. Next last topic. So in third chapter, it is cyanides and isocyanates. Cyanides and isocyanates. So actual chapter name: organic compounds containing nitrogen. First topic is nitrogen completed. Second one aniline completed. And third one is diazonium salts completed. Fourth one cyanides and isocyanates. So first of all, already preparation methods of cyanides and isocyanates. Preparation methods of cyanides and isocyanates. Preparation methods of cyanides and isocyanates. So generally cyanide formula bond Cl, okay. Isocyanide formula bond NC. So preparation methods of cyanides and isocyanates. First method, very simple method, that is from common alkyl halides. From common alkyl halides. For example, ethyl chloride. Generally, ethyl chloride formula Cl3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. One of the common alkyl halide, that is ethyl chloride. one of the common alkyl halide ethyl chloride formula CH3CH2Cl. And ethyl chloride react with potassium cyanide formula KCl. Potassium cyanide formula KCl. Very simple answer. So 1 mole of potassium, 1 mole of chlorine. So removal of KCl. Removal of KCl. And major product is CH3CH2Cn. Major product is CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cn. And minor product that is CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Nc. Minor product is CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Nc. So first one is ethyl cyanide. Okay, ethyl cyanide. And second one is ethyl isocyanide. Ethyl isocyanide. Second one is ethyl isocyanide. So first one is major compound, and second one is minor compound. First one is major compound and second one is minor compound. Major compound is ethyl cyanide and minor compound is ethyl isocyanide. Okay. So heading from alkyl halides. So ethyl chloride formula CH3CH2Cl. Potassium cyanide formula KCl. Major product is ethyl cyanide CH3CH2Cl. Major component that is ethyl cyanide and minor product is ethyl isocyanide formula CH3CH2Nc. Actually heading preparation methods of cyanides and isocyanides. And the next same for example ethyl chloride formula CH3 bond CH2 bond Cl. One of the alkyl halide that is ethyl chloride formula CH3 bond CH2 bond Cl plus AgCN silver cyanide AgCN. Very simple. Removal of 1 mole of silver, 1 mole of chlorine AgCl. And major compound is CH3CH2Nc. Major compound is CH3CH2 bond Nc and minor compound is CH3 bond CH2 bond Cn. Quite opposite of first reaction. Okay. So CH3CH2Nc means ethyl isocyanide. Nc isocyanide. And second one CH3CH2Cn. So this is ethyl cyanide. Ethyl isocyanide, ethyl cyanide. So first one is major compound, and second one is minor compound. Okay. So this is first method from alkyl halides. So in first reaction major component is ethyl cyanide CH3CH2Cn and minor component is ethyl isocyanide CH3CH2Nc. But in second reaction major compound is ethyl isocyanide formula CH3CH2Nc and minor compound is ethyl cyanide formula CH3CH2Cn. Okay. So major, next minor, same major and minor. In first reaction major compound is ethyl cyanide, in second reaction major compound is ethyl isocyanide. So this is first method from alkyl halides. Okay. Next second method, second preparation methods of cyanides and isocyanides. So first preparation method from alkyl halides. Okay. Next second method. Right. First method close. First preparation method from alkyl halides, and second preparation method very simple. Carbyl amine reaction. Very important reaction. Carbyl amine reaction. Okay. First of all, aniline formula C6H5NH2 or primary amine formula C6H5NH2. Primary amine or aniline. Formula C6H5NH2. And aniline is treated with chloroform formula CHCl3 plus 3 moles of alcoholic KOH ALC. So aniline chloroform formula CHCl3 plus alcoholic KOH. Then aniline directly converted into phenyl isocyanide NC. And byproducts are very simple. 3 moles of potassium, next to 3 chlorine atoms, 3 KCl plus 3 moles of water, 3H2O. So this is carbyl-amine reaction. 3 reactants, aniline, chloroform formula CHCl3 plus 3 moles of alcoholic KOH. Then aniline directly convert into phenyl isocyanide, phenyl C6H5 isocyanide formula bond NC. So compound name is phenyl isocyanide, and byproducts are 3 moles of KCl and 3 moles of water. Okay. So first method is from alkyl halides and second method is carbyl-amine reaction. Next third one is from Sand-Meyers reaction. Sand-Meyers reaction. So very simple reaction. First of all, benzene dihydrogen chloride salt formula C6H5, right? N2 plus Cl minus or N2 plus X minus. Benzene diazonium halide. Halide means X. In this X is equal to chloride or bromide. So benzene diazonium halide salt in the presence of Sand-Meyers reagent, that is cuprous cyanide, CuCN by KCN, potassium cyanide. Then benzene diazonium halide salt directly converted into cyanobenzene formula C6H5Cn, cyanobenzene, and byproduct is nitrogen molecule, and compound name is cyanobenzene. So phenyl cyanide or cyanobenzene, CN benzene, okay, C6H5Cn, cyanobenzene. So first reaction from alkyl halide and second one carbyl-amine reaction, okay. C6H5 NH2 plus chloroform formula CHCl3 plus 3 moles of alcoholic KOH. Then aniline directly convert into phenyl isocyanide, 3 moles of KCl and 3 moles of water. Okay, 2 hydrogen plus 1 3 plus 3 6. So 3 into 2 6 hydrogens. Okay, 1 mole of nitrogen, 1 mole of nitrogen. So aniline directly convert into phenyl isocyanide. Primary amines convert into isocyanide. Next one, Sand-Meyers reaction. Very simple. Benzene diazonium halide salt, cuprous cyanide by KCl. Then diazonium halide salt directly convert into cyanobenzene, and byproduct is nitrogen molecule. And last and final method, fourth preparation method. Fourth one, very important method, from amides. Okay. For example, acetamide. Formula CH3 C double bond O NH2. Acetamide. So compound name is acetamide. One of the amide. Generally amide formula C double bond O NH2. Amide functional group formula C double bond O NH2 from amides. For example, acetamide formula CH3 C double bond O NH2, and acetamide react with Hinsberg reagent or benzene sulfonyl chloride formula C6H5 SO2Cl. Compound name is benzene sulfonyl chloride, and it is also called Hinsberg reagent. Actually, fourth preparation method from amides. For example, acetamide formula CH3 C double bond O NH2, and acetamide is treated with benzene sulfonyl chloride formula C6H5SO2Cl. In the presence of pyridine at 70 degrees Celsius temperature. Then acetamide or benzene sulfonyl chloride directly convert into, first of all, byproduct sulfonic benzene formula C6H5SO3H. C6H5SO2 plus 1 oxygen SO3 plus 1 hydrogen SO3H plus very simple, 1 mole of hydrogen. Next 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is HCl, hydrochloric acid. First of all, byproducts C6H5 SO2 plus 1 hydrogen SO3, 1 hydrogen atom SO3H. Next second hydrogen atom, next chlorine atom HCl, and remaining answer CH3CN compound name is methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide. So one of these cyanide, that is methyl cyanide, formula CH3CN. Very important method from amides. Okay. So estamide formula CH3 C double bond to NH2, and estamide react with benzene sulfonyl chloride in the presence of pyridine at 70 degrees Celsius temperature. Then first of all, byproduct sulfonic benzene C6H5SO3H, C6H5SO2 plus 1 oxygen SO3, 1 hydrogen SO3H. Next remaining second hydrogen atom and 1 chlorine atom HCl, and remaining answer CH3CN. CH3CN compound name is methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide. So this is fourth method from amides. So these are preparation methods of cyanides and isocyanides. Only four methods. First method from alkyl halides like ethyl chloride, and ethyl chloride is treated with KCN and AgCN, etc. So second one is very simple method, carbyl amine reaction. So aniline converted into phenyl isocyanide C6H5NC. Third one is Sand-Mayer's reaction, benzene dioxide chloride salt converted into cyanobenzene. And fourth one is estamide from estamide formula CH3C double bond of NH2, and estamide react with benzene sulfonic chloride formula C6H5SO2Cl in the presence of pyridine at 70 degrees Celsius temperature. So main product is methyl cyanide, and byproducts are sulfonic benzene and hydrochloric acid. So these are preparation methods of cyanides and isocyanides. Next heading, properties. Next heading, properties. Next heading, properties. Properties of cyanides. Properties of cyanides and isocyanides. Properties of cyanides and isocyanides. Okay. So first property, very simple property, action of water. Action of water. First property is action of water. Properties of cyanides and isocyanides. Preparation methods close. Next properties. For example, methyl cyanide. One of the cyanide formula CH3CN. Compound name is methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide. Okay. And methyl cyanide react with water molecule. For example, 2 moles of water in the presence of dilute acids. H plus ion. Then methyl cyanide directly converted into C bond C. So CH3 C double bond OH. CH3 C double bond OH, and compound name is acetic acid, one of the carboxylic acid, and byproduct is ammonia formula NH3. So first of all, methyl cyanide formula CH3Cl, okay, plus 2 moles of water, 2H2O in the presence of dilute acids. Then methyl cyanide C bond C, so acetic acid CH3C double bond OH, and byproduct is ammonia. So 2 into 2 4 hydrogen plus 3 7 hydrogens, 3 plus 1 4 plus 3 7 hydrogen atoms. Okay. For example, methyl isocyanide CH3 bond NC, CH3 bond NC, C bond C, next C bond N. So compound name is methyl isocyanide. Cyanide formula bond Cl, isocyanide formula bond NC. Same 2 moles of water, 2H2O in the presence of dilute acids. For example, H plus ion. Then CH3 bond NC, CH3 bond C and C bond C, next C bond N. So main product is methyl amine or primary amine, that is CH3 bond NH2. So compound name is methyl amine or primary amine, formula CH3 bond NH2. And byproduct is very simple, formic acid, HC double bond OH, and compound name is formic acid, one of the carboxylic acid, formic acid, HC double bond OH. So very simple, 3 hydrogens plus 4 7 hydrogen atoms. So 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7 hydrogen atoms. Next only 2 oxygen atoms. Next 1 and 1 2 carbon atoms. So 2 carbon atoms. Only 1 hydrogen atom. Okay. So action of water, very important property. First of all, methyl cyanide formula CH3Cl plus 2 moles of water in the presence of dilute acids. then methyl cyanide directly converted into acetic acid and byproduct is ammonia, NH3. Okay. Next CH3 bond NC, C bond N plus 2 moles of water in the presence of H plus and dilute acid, then methyl isocyanide directly converted into primary amine or methyl amine, CH3 bond NH2 and byproduct is formic acid, formula HC double bond OH. So first property, action of water. Second one, reduction of cyanides and isocyanates. Second property, reduction of cyanides and isocyanates. Second property, first property action of water, second property reduction of cyanides and isocyanates. For example, methyl cyanide formula CH3Cl, compound name is methyl cyanide, formula CH3Cl. In the presence of reducing agent, that is lithium aluminum hydride, LiAlH4. Very simple, addition of hydrogen atoms. For example, addition of 4 hydrogen atoms. So very simple answer, CH3, C, addition of 2 hydrogen atoms, H2, N, addition of 2 hydrogen atoms, NH2. So CH3 bond, CH2 bond, NH2, and compound name is ethyl amine, and it is also called primary amine, or it is also called primary amine, CH3, CH2, NH2. For example, methyl isocyanide, formula CH3 bond NC, so compound name is methyl, isocyanide, formula CH3 bond NC. Same in the presence of reducing agent, for example, lithium aluminum hydride, or sodium amalgam, NaHD, or NaHD. So very simple, addition of 4 hydrogen atoms, only 4 hydrogen atoms. Then CH3, C bond N, so NH bond CH3, so CH3 bond NH bond CH3, compound name is dimethyl, 2 moles of methyl group, dimethyl amine, so compound name is dimethyl amine, and it is also called secondary amine. Okay, so methyl cyanides are alkyl cyanides converted into primary amines in the presence of reducing agent, but isocyanates are alkyl isocyanate converted into secondary amines in the presence of reducing agent. Okay, so first one, methyl cyanide formula CH3Cl. In the presence of reducing agent, lithium aluminum hydride, and reducing agent function is addition of hydrogen atoms, for example 4 hydrogen, so CH3CH2 NH2, methyl amine, and it is also called primary amine. Next one, methyl isocyanate formula CH3 bond NC. In the presence of reducing agent, for example lithium aluminum hydride or sodium amalgam. Amalgam means mercury compounds, so addition of 4 hydrogen atoms. So C bond N, so CH3 bond NH bond CH3, compound name is dimethyl amine, and it is also called secondary amine. Okay, and last and final property, react with HDO, mercuric oxide, formula HDO, but methyl isocyanide only, CH3 bond NC, and compound name is methyl isocyanide, CH3 bond NC. In the presence of mercuric oxide or HDO, very simple. First of all, byproduct is mercury metal, Hg, and remaining answer is CH3 bond NCO. So CH3 bond NCO, and compound name is very important, methyl isocyanate, ATE, isocyanate, formula CH3 bond NCO, so CH3 bond NCO, compound name is methyl isocyanate, it is also called MIC, methyl isocyanate. Methyl isocyanate, formula CH3 bond NCO, methyl isocyanate, and byproduct is mercury metal. So these are properties of cyanates and isocyanates. First property, action of water. Methyl cyanate react with water molecule, so acetic acid, and byproduct is ammonia. Second one, methyl isocyanate react with water molecule, so main product is primary amine CH3 bond NH2, byproduct is formic acid. Second one, reduction of cyanates and isocyanates. For example, methyl cyanate CH3Cn in the presence of reducing in lithium aluminum hydride, addition of chloride atom CH3CH2NH2, ethyl amine. It is also called primary amine. Primary amine. So reducing products of cyanates, that is primary amine. Next, reducing products of isocyanates. For example, methyl isocyanate CH3 bond NC in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride or sodium amalgam NaHG, addition of 4 hydrogen atoms. So CH3 bond NH bond CH3 dimethyl amine, and it is also called secondary amine. And last one, final, mercuric oxide, formula HgO, but only isocyanate. For example, methyl isocyanate CH3 bond NC react with mercuric oxide HgO, byproduct is mercury metal Hg, remaining answer CH3NCO. Compound name is methyl isocyanate, and it is also called MIC, MIC, methyl isocyanate, not cyanide, methyl isocyanate. Okay, so these are properties of cyanates and isocyanates. Okay, so third chapter completed, 13th chapter completed, that is organic compounds containing nitrogen. Okay, so 11th chapter is haloalkanes and haloarenes. 12th chapter is organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. And 13th chapter is organic compounds containing nitrogen. So in 13th chapter, different types of topics. First topic is nitrobenzene close. Second one, amines completed. Third one is diazonium salts, preparation methods of diazonium salt, properties of diazonium salts. And fourth one is cyanates and isocyanates. So this is 13th chapter, that is organic compounds containing nitrogen. Okay, actually in organic chemistry total chapters are 3, 11th one, 12th one, 13th one. 11th one haloalkanes and haloarenes. 12th one organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and 13th one organic compounds containing nitrogen. So finally second year organic chemistry completed. Okay, right.